Hello learners, welcome to the first video of my YouTube channel, Psychology Fundamentals. So before we jump onto the topic of the video, I would like to give a small introduction of mine. My name is Simranjeet Kaur. I belong to Punjab and I am pursuing my bachelor's in psychology. This channel will be focusing on clearly explaining very basic or fundamental concepts of the subject which are essential to be understood before we think of pursuing a career in psychology. Since I am a student too, I am capable of making many mistakes. So please do give your suggestions, feedbacks and reviews in the comment section. Now let's move on to the topic of today's video, the neuron. Neuron is regarded as the most basic unit of our nervous system. By basic, we mean the smallest. The main function of a neuron is to receive the electrochemical signals from the sense organs and transfer them to the central nervous system. Now let's discuss the parts of neuron in detail. The very first part that we are going to discuss is dendrites. As you can see, these are the branch-like structures that emerge from the body of the neuron. Their main function is to receive the signal. Now that signal could either come from the fellow neuron or the adjacent neuron, or it can directly come from the sense organ. Now that will be possible only in case the neuron is attached to sense organ. Next we are going to talk about the soma, which is another name for the cell body of the neuron. Now cell body will contain all the structures that are common to all types of living cells. It will contain the nucleus and the cytoplasm. Now the electrochemical signals which are present in the cell body, they will get transferred to this elongated part that I am highlighting with the pointer. This is known as the axon. Axon is very delicate, hence it comes up with a coating known as myelin sheath. So myelin sheath, it protects the neuron. The last significant part of neuron is terminal buttons. This is the ending of neuron where the electrochemical signals, they will get transferred to other neurons. So this was all about the basic structure, but there are 2 to 3 things that are to be kept in mind. The very first thing is that two neurons, they are never physically connected to each other. There is always a gap which is known as the synaptic cleft. Now the question that arises here is that if there is a gap between the two neurons, how do the electrochemical signals, they get transferred? So the answer is they get transferred with the help of chemical substances known as neurotransmitters. Some examples of neurotransmitters are dopamine, serotonin, etc. And the second significant part that is to be remembered is that a neuron will always function on all or none principle. By all or none principle, we mean that electrochemical signals, they are never transferred partially. Either the signal will transfer its full length or it will not transfer at all. So with this, we come to the end of today's video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And since this is a new channel, you can also put your suggestions in the comment section regarding the topic of my future videos. Thank you.